everyone. My name is Joris Fernandez. We are here at DTTS, the Dumingag Technical Training School, to perform the video on actual driving maneuvers on the road. Before you drive a car, you should know the 10 commandments. Number 1 is, do not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigue. Do not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor review is unseen by the eye. Do not disobey the highway signs and traffic signals. Do not violate speed laws, nor exceed the speed limit. Do not make a twist without signaling your intention. Do not accelerate at speed at school, playground, hospitals, and other dangerous zones. Do not be careless when crossing at intersection. Do not glare your headlights when approaching cars at nights. Slow down when twilight comes conditions are before you. Be cautious and respectful of all drivers and pedestrians. First, we check the outside vehicle. Second, we put the seat belt.
Wala ka video sa kuan, nasin lagi. Zero? Ay nang zero. Zero. Because Rab! Oh! Sarap.
Awali ko katulong ano ba? Sige, bawi, bawi. Gusto, guys.